In this section of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to change the desktop background image. This desktop background image, whatever we are seeing, this is the default image which comes along with the Windows 11 operating system. Whenever we install the Windows 11 operating system, there are some of the pictures, some of the images which are included as part of the operating system itself, which we will be able to use and set those images as the background images. If I want more images, if I don't like the images which comes along with the Windows 11, then I'll be able to search for the images from Google. I'll use Google and search for the desktop background image. And there are some of the sites like unsplash.com and pixels.com where I'll be able to download these images. Some of the images are free and some of the images are paid images. So this image I'll be able to download for free and I'll be able to use it as the desktop background image. I have downloaded some of the images from unsplash.com and pixels.com. So these are the two sites which I have used to download, and all my downloads are available under download folder. So this is the default profile for my this is the default folder for my profile where all these downloads are stored. I will cut these files and I will move all those files into pictures. So this picture, I'll move everything to saved pictures. I'll paste it, and if I want to set any of these images as the background image, there is an existing background image. If I want to set any of these image as the background image, I need to just right click and I will set as the desktop background. Once I have changed the desktop background image, you'll be able to see the image has been changed. The background of my desktop has been changed. So this is one method to change the desktop background. If I go to the start, if I click on settings, or if I right click on the desktop itself, if I go to personalize, if I select the personalize, there is an option background. Here, if I select the background, then under picture, if I have more pictures, I'll be able to select the pictures. I have to select pictures and browse photos. I can browse for any photo which I have downloaded. I'll choose this, and you can see now this image has been set as background. Similarly, if I want to change to any other image, I can click on this image and I should be able to change it. I will select this and the image has been changed. So there are, apart from picture, there are other options as well. If I select solid color, then whatever color you wanted to choose, this is solid color. If I select any of the color, the desktop background images changes as per the color what we choose. And similarly, any of the color I can choose. If I want to choose the custom color, I can view the color. I can choose the custom color. I have to go to view color, then I have to go to view color, then I need to select the option, and if I select any of the color like this, so this will be the new color. The old color is this color which is already set, and this is the new color which will be changing. So if I choose this color, the background image will be changed. If I want to change to another color, I can simply select the color which I wanted to change like this. To customize the color for the solid color, then the images will be changed. So this will be the solid color. And if I select the slideshow, I have stored all my photos in the pictures folder. I can browse to the folder where I have saved all the downloaded files. So this is the folder where I have saved all my downloaded pictures. I will choose the folder and there is an option change picture. So we have these many pictures. We can change the picture for every 30 minutes. We can even shuffle the picture and how the picture has to be displayed. Either we have to fill, fit, stretch, style, center, or span. We can customize how the picture has to be set in the background. I will choose the default fill, and every 30 minutes the images will be changed. Now there is also another option, Windows Spotlight. So if I choose the option as Spotlight, Windows operating system will pick up these images from the internet and it will be set as the background for my desktop. What I will do is I will set as picture and I will select the picture which I want. I will go back to the folder, then I will select the picture. I will choose this picture as my desktop background. There is an option here, contrast. If I select the contrast, I'll be able to select from different themes. So basically it will change the text and it will also change the color of my desktop. There are aquatic, desert, dusk, night sky. I'll be able to choose from one of the contrast themes. So this is the aquatic theme. If I apply, you'll be able to see the desktop will automatically change to high contrast. If I select to desert and apply, so this is for the desert, and for dusk, you can see the text color, the borders, and the text font, everything has changed. And even the desktop background also has changed. If I select night sky and apply, so this is another contrast theme. We will be able to see the color change and the border of this panel has changed to a different color. And now I'll be able to see all my desktop icons very clearly. So you can use this option to change the contrast themes. So to change the contrast, we need to go to personalization, then background, then contrast. I'll be able to select from any one of the contrast themes here. So this was about changing the desktop background. I'll see you in the next topic.